Hold on, hold on. Don't follow others. Don't follow others. Okay, okay.
Hello! Welcome to China! Welcome to China, Ritin.
Hi!
Welcome to China. Papa, welcome to China.
Pwede natin i-ride lahat yan? Hindi, may bayad.
Welcome to China!
Ay, akala ko lahat na totong ticket.
Hindi ko sure.
Bakit? 1 hour tour guide man.
Guys,
1 hour sa tour guide man.
dyan lang oh. Mainit dito. Dito tayo tago.
Pagpaligo lang yung papasoy natin dito. Ayun pa.
Welcome to China! Welcome to China!
Yun pala yung
Hello, hello. Asan? Yun pala yung...
Ay, asan na sila? Kasama natin. Tara na, tara na.
Hello! Electric bike yan pa.
Oo. Hindi natin pwedeng i-ride.
Sabo, magpayong ka. Mainit. Kawawa ka.
Huwag ka na pa.
Ha? Nasaan ba?
Lagay ko dyan. Hindi, dun sa ano siya.
Ayun, kaya ko yun. May nakahanap po.
Nasaan?
Sigaw lang po kayo mamaya.
Oh, sige. Thank you. Bakit hindi sa mga
Parang si ating nakaitim, hindi ko sure. Sino po yung nakahanap ng raincoat kanina?
Come here, girls, come here. Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. This is the meeting place. Very, very important. Meeting place is here. Actually, this is a circle. So you can find the lake, you can find the meeting place.
Okay.
If you lost the way, just find the exit.
Okay.
Exit. Okay, this is the meeting place. The meeting time is 4:45. 4:45. Why I said the meeting time, you know? All the Hong Kong people, they arrive to the immigration, go back to Hong Kong around 7 p.m., around 7 after dinner. After 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, it's very, very cloudy.
Yeah.
We are earlier than them.
Okay.
You can save at least 1 hour. If someone are late, someone is late, we need waste at least 1 hour to queue up with the Hong Kong people. So the meeting time is 4:40 on time, okay? Please be on time, okay? So trust me, I have a lot of experience. I know how to arrange for you. And so you can see 90% rights. You can scan your ticket.
Okay.
Such as the Skyview, such as the cable car, you can scan the ticket. But some, only a few rights cannot. Such as the boat, need to pay the extra cash, 20. But you use the ticket enough for you. Okay, so right now, let's go to the glass bridge.
Sino po yung nakahanap ng raincoat? Wala dito. May nakahanap ng raincoat kanina. Saan? Sa Glass Bridge?
Ang ganda dito. Sa paano tayo mamaya na lang dyan? Yung palapon, yung palas. Right muna tayo dito. Ang ganda dyan mag-picture mamaya.
Right muna tayo sa oras. Pag puro picture tayo. Wala tayong nagawa. Ano lang naman tayo, ilalagay lang tayo sa bridge. Hindi pwedeng ganyan. Dapat, kumayod tayo. Ay, wala tayong pop-up. Ha?
May tubig tayo.
Wala tayong pop-up.
Kakain?
Oo.
Pucha. Mabigat. Tabas na lang daw.
Sabi ko sa inyo, gutumin ako eh.
Hindi ka nagpitipit. May bago ka.
Kaya nga.
Pero ka sana.
Kaya nga. Pabo, pagkat mo na yung payong mo. Mamaya.
Okay, others, listen to me. Others, listen to me. Purple. Okay, so go up by the escalator. Go down, two options. You can slide the car or walk. Okay, it doesn't matter. And I will waiting for you under the bridge.
Okay.
You go to find me. I cannot find you. So many people. You go to find me, get your second ticket. Understand, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, scan your ticket. Others, let me tell you, no times, okay?
Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
Doon tayo sa sasakay tayo.
Good luck, Kitin.
Ya, kita nga ang panty mo doon.
Okay, listen to me. Go up by the escalator. Go down the bridge. Two option. You can slide the car or walk. Okay, I'll be waiting for you under the bridge.
Dapat pala, ang isa dito magbabantay kung anong panty ang makikita ko dito.
So please scan your ticket.
Mamaya, be. Panigurado may maiiwan. Isusum pa ni Kitin, be.
Ay, oo. Kitang-kita dyan sa ano ni Kitty.
Ano, good luck. Dalawa kayo. Good luck. Hello.
So later, tell your friends. Maybe, I don't know. I suggest you slide the car because I think it's very hot.
Kaya kain sa mayo.
Bye.
Remember, everything earlier than other groups would be better. You are so good. Yeah, thank you. You can take 8 groups, 600 people, so many, all the time they arrive.
Tapos lagay ko muna dyan itong kayo.
Yeah, I can take it for you.
Wala kang bag?
Meron, pero nandito yung raincoat.
Kabado na si Dina. Iniwan ko. Ano na siya? Malaki na siya.
Bakit?
Kabado siya. May phobia kasi siya sa ano?
Saan?
Sa mataas. Hi! Palakihan ng panty mamaya.
Wala akong panty. Paano ba yan?
Hehe. Siyempre, hindi nila kayang bagkatin. Habo. Nasa last beach.
Magpapayong ba dun?
Pwede magpayong. Tayo natin sila kitin. Hintayin natin sila Ate Raymel para ma-video natin yung itsura ni Dina mamaya.
daw?
I-video natin yung tsura ni Dina.
Naka-live ka din, be? Hindi, walang signal.
Pinatay ko yung wifi. Mamaya, dun tayo mag-live. Ay, dala, i-on natin. Pabo, hawakan mo nga.
Eh, bakit ikaw nakakapag-live ka?
Hindi, ano yan, video yan?
Ay, video. Akala ko live.
Hi. Hello.
Naka-live na nga lang. Hindi. Video.
Wait.